welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to stop by and show you how to make chilaquiles verdes. They're super easy to make. All you're going to need are the 8 tomatillos, a bunch of cilantro, half an onion, 3 garlic cloves, and 2 serrano peppers. And they have all been rinsed off already. The alternative to that is using this salsa verde, which is really good. I do use it sometimes when I'm in a hurry or really busy, so that's a great alternative. You're also going to need your tortillas to go ahead and cut up into triangles, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon for the salsa, and the teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt for the salsa. To go ahead and top off your chilaquiles, you're gonna need the Mexican cream and the onion and cilantro. In addition to that, you're going to top off your chilaquiles with mozzarella cheese, or you can top them off with queso fresco, but honestly mozzarella is my go-to because it just melts right over. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm going to start off by cutting up my tortillas into triangles. Okay, so you're going to stack up your tortillas really nicely and go ahead and cut them down the middle. Just straight down and then across the other way. All right, I'm just going to cut them down just like this, and the same for the other side. If you don't have the store brand tortillas at hand, you can definitely use the Guerrero tortillas. Those work just as well. You definitely would not want to use the Banderitas brand though, because those are too soft. The Arizona one should work too. Okay, so we're ready to fry our tortilla triangles here, and also put our salsa to go ahead and boil. You do want to just boil it until just a slightly brown color. So let's do that next. Okay guys, so my water was set to medium-high heat and it's already getting warm. So I'm just going to plop in my ingredients. Now you want to add everything except for the cilantro. The cilantro you want to add into the blender to go ahead and mix and blend everything together then and there. So we let this boil. I went ahead and set the oil on my other pot to go ahead and fry my tortilla. Okay guys, so I set the oil to medium-high heat, so I'm ready to plop in my tortilla triangles to go ahead and fry. And you want to sort of do it separately so they don't clump together, just like this. Go ahead and fry your tortilla chips. Allow them to set in the oil until about a golden color. Okay, once your tortilla chips look something like this, go ahead and remove and set them on a container with paper towel to drain it if you like. And then we're almost done with the salsa part. I'm almost ready to go ahead and blend those ingredients aside. Okay, once your tomatillos look something like this, you're ready to go ahead and blend. And you want to blend all the ingredients just until incorporated, and then you stop. No additional water is needed, but you will want to remove the stems from the serrano peppers before doing so. Okay, so I went ahead and added in all of my ingredients here, and I'm just going to add a teaspoon of each salt and pepper, and also oops. Oh, okay, let's remove the excess here. Sorry. All right, so just a tablespoon of the chicken bouillon is all you need. Then you want to just blend until all incorporated. Your tomatillo salsa should look something like this. So I'm ready to go ahead and add it into my pans. Okay, now that I've set my pan to medium-high heat, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my salsa. I'm just gonna let it simmer a little bit before adding in the tortilla chips. Go ahead and give this a stir, and then incorporate the tortilla chips. Go ahead and give this a mix, just like this. And then I'm just going to allow this a couple minutes to sit before smothering them with mozzarella cheese. Okay, once you've allowed your tortilla chips to soften, go ahead and add in 2 handfuls or like a cup of cheese, or as much as you like, honestly. Just a little more around the edges. And then go ahead and cover so it all melts down. Okay guys, my chilaquiles are done, so I'm going to go ahead and serve. Top them off with onion, cilantro, sour cream, and probably queso fresco on top as well.